March 20, 2026. We are now on day 79 out of 365 days of our Abundant Life series. Hebrews chapter 4 verse 16. Let us come boldly to the throne of our gracious God. There we will receive His mercy and we will find grace to help us when we need it most. Today's topic title, God says, I have broken down the barriers. The enemy would like to keep you thinking that you are unworthy and I am unapproachable, all with the intention of keeping us apart. But don't believe it. I have broken down every barrier that would keep you alienated from me. You are not worthy on your own to come to me, but Christ has made you worthy. So come quickly, come continually, come confidently. You can draw near knowing that you're wanted and welcome, not cowering in shame or wondering if you'll be rejected. I'm inviting you not to a throne of judgment, but a throne of grace. I do not deal in intimidation, but in mercy. You can draw near with confidence that you will be accepted, wanted, and provided for. You will receive mercy for your past failures and grace to meet your present and future needs. For today's message, God is reminding us that He has broken down any barriers that separates us from Him. So yes, we are all sinners, and because of that original sin, up until now, we are sinners, no? That separates us from Him. But that barrier has already been broken down through Jesus Christ. So that's why He sent His only Son, Jesus Christ, to save us from our sins. Kumbaga, the ball is on our court na ba, nasa sa atin na on how we accept and how we make use of that salvation, of that grace that God has given us. So, ganyan siya, no? So, wala na tayong reason or alibi na why we can't come back to Him. But, yeah, honestly, most of the time, what holds us back din kasi is that sometimes it's our own shame, it's our own denial, or at times we're not ready na i-let go yung I really enjoy this. Like, for example, we're enjoying this worldly mga happenings, mga ganyan ba. Then, we're in denial na, ay, okay lang to, okay lang yan. Yeah, most of the time, that's some of the things that holds us back, no, na parang naging, kumbaga, yung attachment natin ba, on things na, it's a sin, but there are times when parang in denial pa tayo, no, na we're in denial na mali yung ginagawa because you enjoy it, because yeah, there are times din na sin comes in a form of entertainment, it comes in a form of addiction, mga ganyan. So it's really important na to recognize na all barriers has been broken down. The problem is with us on how we make use of that. So we have to be ready, kumbaga, na i-give up yung dapat i-give up. Because sometimes you have to give up things to open doors or to welcome new or better life. Because you'll never know na something better is waiting for you pala if you can't give up the old life. So, ganyan siya. Well, anyways, yan lang muna yung reflection ko for today. And yung background video ko, guys, late upload lang yan. Yan yung post pala yan. Post Valentine's date namin ni Mr. Kasi nung Valentine's February 14, di ba? So we've decided na hindi na lang muna lumabas sa February 14 because we expect na Siyempre, di yan yung time maraming, ang mostly mga lalabas din yung mga tao ba para mag-date-date, mga ganyan. So kami, nag-ano lang kami, mga a few days yan after Valentine's. So ano lang siya, nag-late lang ano kami, nag-late Valentine's, kain lang sa labas ba. Okay, yan lang muna ngayon.